You walk into the bathroom every morning, but have you ever spoken it in English? Let's fix that now. Real actions, real English. Welcome to Shadowing for Real Life Day 2. Today, we're getting ready in English. You'll hear a real morning routine, step by step. Then we'll shadow every phrase together. Let's start. I walk into the bathroom and turn on the light. It's still early. I'm half asleep. I look in the mirror. Yikes! My hair is wild, my eyes are puffy. Okay, damage control time. I turn on the faucet and let the water run. Cold splash, instant regret, but better. Toothbrush, toothpaste. Up and down, side to side, rinse, soap, towel. Progress. I smile at myself in the mirror. Not perfect, but human, and that's enough. Time for deodorant, lotion, and a little hope. I'm ready. Let's go make some coffee. Let's shadow together. Slowly first, then natural. Repeat with me. I walk into the bathroom. I turn on the light. I look in the mirror. My hair is wild. I splash cold water on my face. I grab my toothbrush. I brush my teeth. I rinse my mouth. I wash my face. I dry my face with a towel. Now a bit faster, more natural. I brush my hair. I put on deodorant. I use some lotion. My skin feels dry. I look at myself again. Not perfect, but ready. Let's go make some coffee. You just got ready in real English. These aren't classroom phrases. They're your life, your rhythm, your words. Which phrase did you actually say this morning? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to know. And the next episode, we're going to the kitchen. Real breakfast, real English. Use your voice every day.